Best decor hacks for coming new year. If you're interested in knowing about it, then keep on watching this video till the end. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Parshvika. Welcome to Articularly brand page channel, where we make content for regarding the house interiors, the home decors, and all about it. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about the best decor hacks for your coming new year to make your new year more exciting, more funful, and more resourceful. And also guys, we have our brand page channel, articulary.com/store. You can check the link, it is in the description box below. You can check out our unique gallery of various affordable, high quality art for decorating your home on budget. So you can check our store, the link is in the description box below. Now moving on to the main part of the video guys, if you really enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up so that YouTube algorithm works in our favor. And also subscribe to our channel so that whenever we upload more house interiors, more decor hacks and tips, you'll be getting notified about it. The first best decor hack for the new year is balloons. Now balloons is great for birthday parties, for Christmas parties, for New Year's Eve party, for any type of party. It's really amazing. You can get the balloons, especially on the budget, but if you want to go and buy those expensive and fancy looking and glittering balloons, then you can very well go for that as well. But if you are on a budget, then you can just buy the normal balloons and can decorate your room and home with that balloons, and it will really going to make your home look more good and more beautiful. And also guys, you can put the glitters in the balloons, so whenever you just pop out, the glitters will go into onto the floor, and will really going to look so nice and really going to give you a party feeling, a good feeling, an exciting feeling on this new year. So that's my first hack. Moving on to the second hack that I have for you is lanterns. Now there are the very circular lanterns come in the market, especially for the New Year's, for the Christmas, and for or any festive season or any for occasion. You can get those lanterns and can keep in your home and room and also in your living room. So whenever you are in a party mood, you can just light them, you can decorate them, you can even paint them, or you can even use any garlands with them or anything like that and make it look more beautiful and more like a festive season, and also enjoying the festive mood along with this lantern. It's also on the budget. And also if you want to go with the expensive one, you can go for that as well. These hacks that I'm talking in this video are all on the budget as well, are also on the expensive as well. So it depends on you what's on your budget. If you want to have a less budget, then obviously you're gonna buy, you won't be buying that expensive stuff. But if you have a full budget, then you can buy those expensive stuff as well. But it all depends on you, and again they are so really amazing and will going to make your home look good, more like a festive season for New Year's, for your festive season, especially for the Christmas, for the New Year's, and for these all occasions. So lantern is an amazing, it comes in various different colors. You can go for the pink, red, black, whatever color you want. The third hack that I have for you is pom-pom garlands. Now garlands are so popular, you can even create it at your home itself if you are on budget, or even you can purchase on few bucks in the market. You don't need to buy those expensive one if you are on a budget. But garlands will really going to add an amazing touch to your home and room, and also you can use those garlands to tie the curtains, like a sort of a vintage jewelry type of stuff. And the pom-pom garlands are really an amazing option out there, and especially for the new year, you can pick up any color, whatever you want, or either one. You can also go with the colorful ones, like having the various different colors, but it's really a great add-on, and it's really a great way to decorate your home, especially for the new year, on even on the budget. Or even if you want to go with the expensive one, you can go with the expensive one as well, but it all depends on you. And all these hacks are both applicable for on budget as well. And if you want to go with expensive option, then obviously you have that option as well. The fourth hack that I have for you is star confetti. Now star confettis look really amazing. You can like just spread them on the floor, you can even place them on your bed sheet, or even you can place on a sofa or a tablecloth, or even you can place them in a jar, in a mason jar, in a beer bottle, or any container of glass like a bowl, and can keep the water inside them and then keep those star confettis, and it will really going to look so bright, so vibrant. And it can also use as a decorations, especially for gifts. If you want to send the gifts to your family members on these occasions, Even for the Christmas, for the New Year, you can use this star confetti and can put them in the gift box as well. So whenever that person will going to open up a gift, they will going to see those star confettis, and it will really going to sparkle and brighten, and star looks really an amazing way to decorate your home. And it's really on budget. If you want to go with expensive one, you can buy those as well. Otherwise, you can create them on a budget even at your home with the different tools, different materials you can buy for a few bucks in the market as well. Moving on with the another hack, that is the shooter of star confettis. If you are having a New Year's Eve party or a Christmas Eve party, then obviously you're gonna need a shooter for the star confetti to release in the background and to like just release it into the environment, to like floating like stars into the atmosphere, and they are just coming down, sparkling the atmosphere, especially at the night. And when you have a like sort of a dim light, and those sparkles stars we're just going to float, we're just going to like float from the air, from the upwards till the downwards with the shooter. And shooter is really amazing if you are especially having an occasion, any birthday parties, any New Year's party, any Christmas party, you can do it that along with the lanterns, with the balloons. You can just use them and shoot them, and so that they will going to just sparkle the whole atmosphere, and it will really going to look so amazing, so beautiful, and will going to give a finishing touch. And also it will going to make your home and room look so natural, so beautiful, especially on this occasion, and you will be get ready for this occasion too. Moving on to the another hack that I have for you is especially on budget, it's the pillow covers. Now the pillow covers will really going to add a beauty for your home and room, especially for your living room, especially for your dining room, or where you have the sofas, where you have the cushions, where you have the pillows, even for the bedroom. If you are using those pillow covers and decorating them, changing them, and will going to make your bedroom especially will going to look so different than the normal one, and it's really on budget. You don't need to buy those expensive pillow covers or anything like that. You're very well prepared at your home itself if you are good in stitching and embroidery, or even for the knitting and crochet and all that. It's really an amazing way to decorate and not to pay so much money. And pillows, it's a great add-on to your room, and even for your bedroom as well, even for your living room, like cushions for the sofas and all that. So that's really an amazing way to decorate it, and especially on the budget, especially for the New Year's, for the Christmas, for whatever occasion you have. Last but not the least tip that I have for you, that I have already talked about, the pom-pom garlands. If you don't want to go with the pom-pom garlands, then you have the Tessar garlands. Now Tessar garlands really a great add-on, and even if you use a disco balls with that for your Christmas parties, for your New Year's party, or for your any occasions party, with that Tessar garlands, along with that you would be having a Christmas ball. No Christmas ball, it's like a disco ball that's a silver ball or in golden color, or whatever color you want to go with that, and you can sparkle with them, and you can put the various short lights with them, so that when those lights just pop onto that ball or to that Tessar garlands, then they will going to sparkle, and we're really going to look good and amazing, especially in the night as well, or even on the dim light when you have. And it's really amazing, especially for the Christmas where is the more snow, so you have like almost like a night type of environment even in the daytime itself. So when you are using these things, it will really going to have a great add-on, and also really going to look good and amazing for your home, for your Christmas, for your New Year, and for every occasion, especially talking about the disco balls or even for the Tessar garland. So these were the two things that I covered in just one hack. So I hope you enjoyed this today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below how you'll be decorating your home on this Christmas or on this New Year. Just comment on the comment section below, and that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. That's it, and we're going to see you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.